break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing.
I heard the girlies want to smell like vanilla all day long, but not break the bank. Sis, look no further. It's time for you to check out this video with no other than your plus size vixen. Let's get into it, sis.
Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to
Hey y'all, welcome back to the Plus Size Vixen YouTube channel. As you see in today's title, I am so happy I'm finally doing a video about nothing but vanilla scents. Never thought I would have been a vanilla girly, because back in the day, I used to love Japanese cherry blossom, Love Spell from Victoria's Secret, DKNY, the apple. But honey, I am a true lover of vanilla scents now. So I wanted to give you a couple of my scents that's under $100. So you could be smelling like vanilla ice cream. You could smell like that vanilla cookie. You could smell like vanilla, but not break the bank. So if this is you and you love vanilla scents, stay tuned to this video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to your Plus Size Vixen YouTube channel. Press that button so you know when videos go up, the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up so it could spread to all my vanilla girlies. With that being said, let's get into today's video. So, when I think of vanilla, I definitely think of a warm, cozy, subtle scent. It's not too strong, it's not too light. Because for me, growing up, a lot of the women wore them, I'm going to call it them showstopper perfumes. White Diamond, Chanel No. 5, Kenzo Jungle. So you smelled the women in my family or in my surroundings when they were coming. They walked out the room, but they scent still last. And I try to follow that pattern, but I used to get complaints saying that the perfume was a little too strong, too much for people liking. So you know what I said? I said, let me do some research and let me discover my own scent. And vanilla felt like it fell right in a category that I needed to. Why I say that? Because again, it was just, you smelt it, but it wasn't to the point that it was overpowering. So now, in order for you to smell like vanilla all day long, let's start with the layering process. And first we're going to start with is the body wash. I use the Dove Shea Butter and Vanilla body wash to help start like the process for me to smell like a vanilla cookie, a vanilla ice cream sundae all day long. The body wash is not only is it moisturizing, but it just helps when you layer the rest of the vanilla products because it's the beginning step in the whole process. And we got to start, of course, in the shower. If you didn't know, you better ask somebody. Now the next step in this process is definitely body scrub. We definitely want to open up those pores, remove the dead skin, but we want to do it with a vanilla scented body scrub. So my two faves is one, the Tree Hut vanilla scrub, Chef's Kiss, and the second one would be the Dove Shea Butter and Vanilla body scrub. You can't go wrong with either one of these because again, now we're getting down into the skin, giving it that vanilla smell we really need by removing the dead skin, exfoliating yourself so that vanilla can really get in it. Do you get it? We want that vanilla scent to be in there. We want you to moisturize that skin, remove them dead cells by using a body scrub. Now again, you can apply your body scrub how you want it. I typically use an African net sponge when I do my body scrubs, or I do the hand glove, or you could just use your hand yourself, whatever works for you. But this is definitely needed so you could smell vanilla all day long. Definitely got to scrub that dead skin off for you and exfoliate because it's definitely going to help penetrate the skin the way you want it to. Now this next step is a must. It's no ifs, ands, or buts. When you get out the shower, after you use your body wash, your body scrub, you rinse, you repeat it, get out the shower, pat dry lightly, and take no other than Bodycology, I believe that's how you pronounce it, whipped vanilla body oil. and douse your skin. Rub that in to penetrate it while your pores are still open. This is why it's mandatory to do this. Don't wait until you finish dry off completely and put it on. Do this while your pores is open. So kind of just pat dry, rub this oil in. You'll thank me later. Again, by Bodycology. Hopefully I'm saying that right. If I'm not, please correct me in the comments. I'm all for correction. That's how you grow. But it's the whipped vanilla body oil right after you get out that shower, because honey, this layering process is going to eat. Now it's time to moisturize, right? And I've been playing around with different vanilla lotions. Now I know a lot of the girlies like the EOS vanilla lotion, right? And it's good because again it has shea butter, it's moisturizing to the skin. But don't sleep too much on Bath and Body Works Vanilla Romance. And Bath and Body Works also got the warm vanilla sugar. So one of my favorites besides the EOS is definitely the Vanilla Romance. Again, once before you get dressed, lotion your body with the Vanilla Romance. Or they also they have the lotion Viva Vanilla. Let me tell y'all something. I don't know if y'all get those emails or texts when Bath & Body Works has stuff on sale, but please take advantage of it and try their vanilla lines, because Vanilla Romance, Viva Vanilla is, and warm vanilla sugar is definitely top tier. Try the body wash, the body lotion, and if they have a body scrub, I'm not 100% sure, don't quote me on that, but Vanilla Romance, Viva Vanilla, and warm vanilla sugar, yes. But definitely moisturize your skin with one of those vanilla lotions of your choice. My favorite is, I just said it, the big three. Boop, boop, boop. The big three. And honey, I'm telling you, I need y'all to comment below if y'all ever tried those lotions or tried those scents, because listen, this is not a paid promotion. Bath and Body Works is not sponsoring this video. I have tried these. I did trial and error trying these scents to see if it gives what it gives, and honey, it's giving, especially if you follow this routine. Don't do it on dry skin. Make sure you do all the steps: wash, scrub, oil, lotion. We almost done now. We almost done. So definitely check out one of those lotions, because this is just the process of it to make you, because look, we trying to smell like vanilla all day long. You don't want to smell like vanilla at 7 a.m. but by the time it's 2 p.m. you don't smell nothing. That's not the point of this. Now for my girls who like to get a little fancy with it and do a body butter, right? I'm definitely a fan for the Tree Hut Vanilla Body Butter. If you just need a little more moisture than the lotion, definitely tap into the Tree Hut Vanilla. Again, this is under $10. It could be found on Amazon, Walmart, at Target, wherever you shop at. It's usually about $8, $9 max. It smells good too. A little goes a long way. But the lotions is good as well, but the body butter is a little more thicker. Maybe if you have dry skin or you suffer from like some type of skin condition where you might need a better moisture, a better barrier on your skin to make sure you're moisturized all day, the body butter is definitely where it's at. Another one I want to share, I can never find a picture of it, but for those who shop at Walmart, aka Wally World, the Tunisian Vanilla. It's Walmart's brand. It's not called Great Value, but I only saw it sold at Walmart in their bath section. And they have a body butter called Tunisian Vanilla. It's another good one. It's $5 and the tube is a little bit bigger than the Tree Hut one, and it's $5. So again, if you want a budget here, we're trying to keep it under $100. Definitely try that one too. That one smells amazing as well. You can't go wrong with either one. But again, depending on your budget, definitely try that one too, because that one eats all the way down. Look, I don't know where Tunisian Vanilla came from. Maybe it came from Tunisian, Tahiti, but it smells good to Mimi. That's all that matters. Now that we're all cleansed, We're moisturized. We're beyond moisturized at this point. Now it's time to add some sprays into it. And I don't know about y'all, but I love me a good body splash. I love me a good body spray. So we're going to go back to my old faithful, and that's Bath and Body Works. This is, a matter of fact, this is a part of their luxury dupe line. So I forgot who dupe this is. But again, if you remember, please comment it. Drop it in the comments. This is the Viva Vanilla by Bath and Body Works. If you don't do anything else from this video, please check out Bath and Body Works dupe line, especially the Viva. If you're a vanilla girly, the Viva Vanilla, you will definitely be sold. Again, I don't know if that's Kayali number 28 dupe. Smells amazing. Spritz it on your clothes, spritz it on your body, honey. And don't forget, key tip, add some Vaseline to the hot spots. I'm talking about your wrist, behind your ear, behind your knees, and just honey. Because remember, body splash usually has like an alcohol in it, so you don't want to spray it on and it dissolves into your skin too fast and dry out. So you creating the barrier with the Vaseline helps it stay a little bit longer. And you can definitely do the same with your perfumes as well, because we want it to last a little longer. So you put in the Vaseline as a barrier to hold it there a little longer. And again, don't forget, behind the ears, the wrists, and behind the knees, a little Vaseline, and a couple of pumps of that spray so it can last all day. But that, and again, Old Faithful will be warm vanilla sugar and vanilla romance as another body splash that you can use. What I am going to say is it depends on what kind of vanilla you're trying to smell like. If you're trying to smell more like luxury, I will go with the Viva Vanilla. If you're trying to smell more like winter or like cozy and warm vanilla sugar. And vanilla romance, I feel like is an in between the two. It's like luxury, but then it's also on the oak, like in between both of them. So if you want that in between smell, but definitely use that spray because it'll be good. Now we have come to the last part, and this is the perfume. Now I could have looked up so many different perfumes, but again, I want to keep the budget under $100. So girlies, last but not least is one of my favorites. So we have came to the perfume part of this video. And if you didn't know by now, now you know. It's Kayali Vanilla 28. When I first was introduced to this perfume, I was going through the phase of my life trying to figure out what perfumes work for me and my BO. Because again, like I said earlier in the video, I will buy the White Diamond, Chanel No. 5, but I felt like that really wasn't me. That really wasn't my smell type. I was just getting it because the women in my family wore it. And I happened to stop in Sephora, and I was just smelling different things. But I was like, I need something that's my signature scent. And the moment the lady sprayed this, I was like, hold on. So I said, let me walk out the store because we already sprayed like 5 scents. I wanted to be sure I was smelling what I was smelling. Honey, 8 down. Now, I wanted to get the small bottle to start with because I was like, no, let me get a little small bottle. But she convinced me to get the bigger one. Now, I don't remember the ounces offhand, but I think one of the medium ounces is $100. Again, I'm trying to keep this affordable. If you're unsure of it and before you go buy the big bottle, definitely try the travel size. But if you love vanilla, the Kayali Vanilla 28 is the scent for you. I was shocked. I did never thought that, again, I would be a vanilla girly. But I love it because it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just right. And it's just right for me. And if you tried the vanilla 28 by Kayali, please comment below your thoughts. I mean, I tried other fragrances by her, but I feel like the vanilla for me is it. Like, you can't go no wrong with it. So again, if you don't want to do body splashes and you just want to go on to the perfume, Vanilla 28 is it. I'm trying to think. I think she has another vanilla one. It's not coming to mind, but that's okay. With that being said, hopefully these tips and tricks will help you smell like vanilla all day. If you already use vanilla products, please comment below what are you using. What's your process to keep you smelling like vanilla all day? I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos. And by you subscribing, we're going to reach our goal. We almost to 1,000. Thank you guys for subscribing. It's truly appreciated. I really wish I could just do an appreciation video. I'm thinking about doing that next, because this journey ain't easy. People make it seem like it's easy, but it's not. Consistency is key. Loving what you do is key. And I realize I have came down the hygiene hole, and I feel like I can't leave out of it. I mean, I made a couple of hygiene videos on my channel. I realized the viewers love it, so I'm going to continue to give you what you love. And I love hygiene. I care about how I smell, how I look, how I present. So again, thank you so much. Our last video of the year would definitely be the top 5 tips for hygiene for 2026. I know there's so many hygiene videos out there, but I feel like let's narrow it down to 5 tips, or maybe 6. Maybe it should be the top 6 tips for 2026, so you can smell your best, look your best, be your best. But again, thank you so much. Vanilla is my queen in my life. Again, make sure you comment. Please don't be afraid to comment. We are family here. Comment below. Tell me what are you using that's vanilla. I'm always looking for new things to add into my routine. Again, hopefully some of these products mentioned you use, you try it. Share below what you like. Share below what you don't like. Share below how you do your layering setup. But trust and believe, this layering techniques I gave you will definitely have you smelling like vanilla all day. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and see y'all soon. Be you, be safe. Smell like vanilla, baby.
Give me one break, I need faith.